Hi everyone, welcome to Geospatial Pal. I'm Sogat, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can write your name using real satellite imagery. This is a really cool trend that has been going viral on social media recently, and the best part is these images are not fake. These are actual satellite images from NASA. As you can see here, your name is formed using different satellite images that look like letters. Each letter comes from a real place on Earth. These images come from Landsat satellites, which have been collecting Earth observation data for over 50 years. The system simply finds natural patterns like rivers, mountains, and coastlines that look like letters. To create your own, there are two websites. You can see these on the screen, and I have kept the link on the description box as well. One is the official NASA website. You can see here science.nasa.gov, and another one is yournameinlandsat.com. So let's start with the official NASA website. Here users need to type your name in the input box and press enter. So let's type my name, Saugat, Saugat, and let's press enter. Okay. So now the system will generate our name using satellite images, and if we don't like the result, we can just press enter once again to generate a new version. Okay, it generated the new image of mine, and when we hover over each letter, we can see the exact location where that image was taken. So this was taken in Norway, and this was in Amazonas, and this was in Alaska. So every letter has a real geographic location, and you can also download our result as an image. We can just press in the download button, and yeah, the image has been downloaded, and we can easily see here. So similarly, we can also use the QR code option, and anyone who scans it will see our generated name. So here is the QR code option. So anyone who scan this QR code will see the generated image. Now let's look at the second website. This one works a bit differently. Here we can just refresh individual letters instead of generating the whole name again, as you can see here. So if we don't like a specific letter, we can simply click on it and replace it. So first let's type my name, Saugat, Saugat, and let's hit enter. I don't like this letter T, so I can just and click on it, and we can replace with it another one. Okay. This looks good, and similar to the previous one, when we hover over each letter, it will show the location and coordinate. This one's from Norway, and you can see the coordinate over here, and this one from Utah, this one from Amazonas, and this one from UAE. So similar to the previous one, you can just click in this download button, and this one is the generated image. You can also share the QR image. One important tip is shorter names usually give better results, because some letters are harder to find, so we might need to try multiple times. Go ahead and try it yourself. It's a fun way to explore satellite imagery and see your name in a completely different way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.